welcome to sustainable and affordable fashion YouTube, aka the Nava Rose channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share some fall outfit ideas for you. However, today's outfits will be modest in style as well as modest for your bank account because I am a cheapo. Trust me everyone, this video was not easy. I'm really trying my best to incorporate more modest outfit idea videos in my YouTube channel and on my TikTok because I dress pretty edgy and scandalous, so I know a lot of people don't really dress like me, so I wanted to give realistic outfit ideas for everyone that lives in the entire world. It was definitely a challenge. There are some that still show skin, but I tried my best, y'all. I just tried my very best. Please take what you want from these outfit ideas and make it your own. If you have been a follower of mine for a while now, it's no news that I love thrifting, so I really want to share some trendy and affordable outfits for the fall season because literally every other comment that I get is, oh my gosh, I wish I could dress like her, but I'm broke, or I wish I had all this money so I could have her closet. Which, yes, everyone, I do have a lot of clothes. Let me tell you, I do not have a closet of clothes. I have a living room full of clothes, but 75% of that is all secondhand and thrifted. Let's do the math there. 75% is a lot. All the outfits in today's video will be strictly thrifted, like minus one or two items. Just for some styling sake, I want to put a disclaimer on there too. I try to be as eco-friendly and sustainable as possible, so a big thank you to ThredUp for being the sponsor of today's video. I always love working with ThredUp because I personally love thrifting so much, and they are the biggest online thrift store in the entire world. They carry some of your favorite brands like Nike, Zara, Urban Outfitters for up to 90% off the estimated retail price. And since they know I love thrifting, they want to share that same experience with you, so they're giving all of my viewers a special discount of 30% off your first order on ThredUp. All you have to do is click the link in my description box and use my code NAVA. Since we are still in the middle of a pandemic, thrifting isn't the easiest as it was before COVID all happened. I actually stopped thrifting for months because we were just in lockdown and in quarantine. So honestly, ThredUp has been such a lifesaver. For an online thrift store like ThredUp, you can go thrifting at the comfort of your own home while in quarantine. You don't even have to leave and be exposed to people that possibly might have COVID. Also, shopping in an actual store can be very time consuming because you gotta sit there, sift through all these clothes that aren't even your size. So one of my favorite features of ThredUp is that you could sort through everything on the site that is your size. I just have a ton of new thrifted items that I want to show you in some outfits, so let's get started. The first fall trend that we're going to dive into is monochromatic outfits. Also, because this is a fall outfit video, I had so many turtlenecks, so you can clearly see the struggle on my face as I was trying not to smear my makeup. I'm going to go for a lilac color for this monochromatic look, and I found these lilac pants off of ThredUp. By the way, if I'm looking for a specific unbranded item to add into my wardrobe, like colored pants or something like that, I will always check ThredUp first, because if it's something general and I don't really care what the brand is, you know, why not just shop sustainable and do a kind gesture for the earth? So yes, I got these pants off of ThredUp. They are from the brand INC. I got them for $14 and the estimated retail price is $70. And because I am wearing one color in this outfit, in order to make it not so bland, I added a bunch of layers and textures to make the outfit stand out a little bit more. I've been slowly growing my lilac section in my wardrobe, and I really wanted a pair of pants to add to my collection because I can't just be wearing skirts all day. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. So I was so excited when I saw ThredUp actually carried lilac pants. The next outfit is a mixture of multiple fall trends. The first trend are baggy cargo pants or just baggy pants in general, because honestly, I hardly see anyone wearing skinny jeans anymore. Maybe it's also because I live in downtown LA and everyone's pretty trendy out here. Who knows? So I got these cargo pants off of ThredUp from the brand Everlane that are estimated to retail for $68, but I got mine for $24. The second fall trend of this outfit are leather jackets, which I am absolutely here for because I just have so many leather jackets. And then the third trend in this outfit is zebra print. Animal print in general has always just been a trend, especially in fall, but zebra print has been making a really strong comeback lately. I got this zebra print scarf off of ThredUp for $18. Estimated retail price is $60. ThredUp adds thousands of new items every day, and they're all really unique, so you just never know what you'll find. It's really like a big treasure hunt. The The next fall trend are corsets. Normally if I'm going modest, I would probably style the corset with a turtleneck underneath, but to be honest, this corset is pretty tight because I did the measurements wrong, so I couldn't fit another shirt under here, so this is just one way that I would also style it. I just added a crop button up top over it and I buttoned the very first button. This collared shirt is from ThredUp and it's from one of my favorite brands called Super Down. It's estimated to retail for $54, but I got mine for $12. You know, I would say the modest level for this outfit would be a 7 because it does have a keyhole at the chest, which is a little scanty for a modest outfit. However, you can always cover it up with a high neck top or, like I mentioned before, a turtleneck. Apparently I don't know what order to dress myself in because I thought taking off my pants before my shoes was a smart move, and also apparently I don't know how to take off my own pants. I don't know, just a mess. And this is just another way to style your collared shirts, which is also a big trend this fall season, and that is collared shirts under sweaters with pleated skirts. I know mini skirts are not really a part of the modest wardrobe, but I want to show you how this trend looks with tights as a modest option in case you are okay with wearing mini skirts. Sorry, just ignore the way that I put on my tights. I'm obviously way too lazy to put on tights correctly. Alright, I also have two levels of tights. I have really sheer tights like this, or really opaque tights, which you will see in the next outfit. So if you are a little bit more modest but like to wear tights and mini skirts, just imagine this outfit with not so sheer tights. Like I mentioned before, a big trend this fall of 2020 are leather jackets. This is one of my favorite trends that I actually wear year round. This is a faux croc leather blazer that I thrifted a while ago, and I paired it with this ruched mini dress from ThredUp. The dress is from Guess and it's estimated to retail for $138, but I got mine for only $24. This is another outfit where I'm wearing the leather jacket trend, but this time I'm going super fall with a sweater turtleneck dress. Oh, okay, finally an outfit that I'm wearing opaque tights in. This dress is also from ThredUp. It's from the brand INC. It's estimated to retail for $71, but I got mine for $12. As you can see, there are a ton of really cool items that I got from ThredUp that are a perfect addition and staple to my wardrobe. So if you are planning to place your first order on ThredUp, don't forget that you could get 30% off by using my code NAVA. I mentioned this trend in the second outfit, and that is zebra print. I honestly love animal print. I just have so many pieces in my wardrobe, but surprisingly, I don't have that much zebra print. So when I saw this on ThredUp, I just had to have it. This coat is from the brand Donna Morgan, and it's estimated to retail for $119. However, girl, I got it for only $16. Since the coat is pretty loud, I'm also keeping my outfit very plain and simple. I'm just styling it with a turtleneck, pleated skirt, and booties. This is another take on the same outfit, but with another loud coat. I got this faux fur coat from ThredUp as well. Literally, I got like everything from ThredUp. I'm telling you, my whole wardrobe is secondhand. It's estimated to retail for $71, and I got mine for $30. I think wearing an all black outfit paired with an accent jacket is a super easy way to put together an outfit. It just looks nice and it looks like you thought out your outfit. So I think that's why it's definitely one of my go-to quick outfit formulas. Plaid blazers are also one of my favorite things to thrift, and I just believe it's a staple for fall like every single year. I attempted to wear a beret for this outfit, you know, it just was not working with my hairstyle that I had underneath. Just not a cute look. Cow print was such a big trend earlier this year of 2020, and although I think it's still a trend, zebra print is definitely winning right now. I love the lilac and cow print combo. I think it's just so cute. So this is how I would style these two in a fall outfit. I'm wearing my DIY cow print pants that I made from Walmart. If you haven't seen that DIY Walmart video, I will link it up here, and I paired it with a lilac chunky sweater and cropped turtleneck underneath. This is another version of the collared shirt, pleated skirt, and sweater look. Ooh, you know, that kind of rhymed. Watch out, Chance the Rapper. Anyways, I just wanted to give you more options of this trend since this one is a cropped sweatshirt. Most of the time when I wear this trend, it's with a loose, baggy sweatshirt, and this is the first time I tried it cropped, and I felt it was still really cute. This sweatshirt is also thrifted and DIY'd from a really old video of mine, so I'll link the tutorial here if you haven't seen that one. An aesthetic and style that I never really wear but have been loving recently is the preppy and schoolgirl look. Argyle has definitely been making its comeback just like zebra print, so I've been really into it. I picked up this cardigan from ThredUp for only $33. It's from the brand Brooks Brothers and it's estimated to retail for $179. I added my own twist to it and paired it with some baggy jeans since, you know, the preppy style isn't really my forte, so I gotta ease into it. And honestly, if we weren't styling modest outfits, I would definitely wear the cardigan and collared shirt as a crop top. Another trend this fall are sweater vests. I've actually owned other sweater vests, but I recently moved, so this is the only one that I had available. But you know, it's still super cute. It's a turquoise cow print sweater vest that I got from ThredUp for only $17. It's from the brand Barrick and it's estimated to retail for $48. Which leads me to my last set of outfit ideas and is an outfit combo that I do quite often. And that is a baggy pair of pants with a plain shirt and a fun, quirky, oversized knitted cardigan. I love this style so much. It's one of my go-tos if I'm ever in a hurry and I need to throw on a quick chilly weather outfit, or honestly if I'm just being lazy and I want to be comfortable. I get so many comments about my bunny knitted cardigan and where they can find similar ones. I actually got this specific one and a couple others at actual thrift stores, but recently I found out that ThredUp also has a ton of these. Okay, well, not a ton because I recently cleaned out their stock and bought literally 10 of them in one order. I seriously spent so much money that night. Anyways, they still have a lot, don't worry. Alright, I'm really spilling the secret out here because I've always wanted to find more of these cardigans, but you know, I just could never find them in actual thrift stores and I didn't even think to check on an online thrift store like ThredUp. So when I found them, I was beyond excited. I felt like I struck gold. Alright, so there are two brands that I know of that sell these type of crazy knits, and that is Storybook Knits and Barrick. So if you just type these in the search bar, you'll be able to find some really unique and cool cardigans. All of these that I'm showing you right now are ones that I found on ThredUp, and I'll include the prices at the top corner right here. I know these cardigans aren't for everyone, and you know, some might think that they're completely hideous, but I absolutely love them and they make me so happy. I literally feel like I'm gonna be one of those little grandmas who wear cats on their clothes and do sewing projects all day long, because that's literally me currently in my 20s. So thank you to ThredUp for feeding my weird, crazy grandma knitted cardigan addiction. I hope this video was helpful and sparked some outfit ideas for you for the fall season, as well as potentially making you make some eco-friendly moves with thrifting online. Don't forget to check out ThredUp in the link in my description box, and also don't forget to get that 30% off your first order with my code NAVA. If you want to connect with me, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which is at the.navarose, which, oh my gosh, thank you all for 3.1 million. If you love this thrift haul video, feel free to check out this one right here. I love you all so much. Please stay safe and healthy during this quarantine. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in.